Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add phone number on KuCoin. First, you just need to open your KuCoin application. Now wait until the ad runs out. Now from here at the top left corner you will find the profile icon. By tap on this you will find this section where you will find the security option. Now from here in this phone, here you can see I don't link any phone number with my account, so you can just tap on it, and from here you have to enter a two-factor authentication code. You can get this code from the Google Authenticator. Make sure you have connected your Google Authenticator with your KuCoin account. Then you have to click on the code that you have associated with your account, then copy it, and here you can just paste the code and simply tap on bind. Now from here you can just add your number. From here in this drop down section you can just add your country code. Then after selecting country code you can add your phone number. Then you have to enter a verification code that you will get from your email address. Sorry, not email address, you will get from your phone number, your phone messages. So it will send a message through your phone number to confirm that number. Then you can simply tap on activate. Let me show you. You can just simply tap on send button here, and it will send the verification code through your phone number, phone messages, and wait until you get the messages. Here you can see it has already copied here. Now you can paste it and tap on activate. Now you can see I have just linked or activate or bind, whatever you can say. I have just linked my phone number with my KuCoin account. That's how you can just add your phone number to your KuCoin account. Thanks for watching. Till next time.